Did you know that after age 50, your body loses the ability to repair itself almost twice as slowly as it did in your 20s? That cut on your hand that used to heal in 3 days. Now it takes a week. That muscle you strained. It might take a month to feel normal again. Your body isn't broken. But something inside it has changed. And if you don't understand what's happening, it could be silently setting you up for weakness, frailty, and disease. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this happens, and what you can do to slow it down, starting today. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Every single day, your body is under construction. Skin cells die and get replaced. Muscle fibers tear from everyday movement and rebuild themselves stronger. Bone breaks down old tissue and lays down new tissue. This process never stops, it's happening in you right now, as you watch this video. But after 50, this construction crew starts working slower. Scientists call this a decline in cellular regeneration. Your stem cells, the master cells responsible for repair, become fewer in number and less active. Your body also produces less collagen, the protein that holds your skin, joints, and connective tissue together. And your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells, start losing efficiency, meaning your cells simply have less energy to do repair work. Why does this matter so much? Because slower repair doesn't just mean wrinkles or slower healing cuts. It means your muscles rebuild slower after exercise, so you lose strength faster. It means your joints repair themselves less effectively, which can lead to stiffness and pain. It means your immune system, which also depends on rapid cell turnover, becomes less sharp at fighting off infections. This is one of the hidden reasons falls, fractures, and illnesses become more dangerous as we age. The body's ability to bounce back has quietly weakened. This isn't just about looking older. It's about how well you'll move, feel, and live in the next 20, 30, even 40 years of your life. So here's the real question. Is this decline something you just have to accept? Or is there something science says you can actually do about it? Let's find out. One of the biggest reasons your body rebuilds slower after 50 is something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles become less responsive to protein. In your 20s, eating a normal amount of protein was enough to trigger muscle repair and growth. After 50, your muscles need more protein, and more consistent protein throughout the day, to get the same repair signal. This is a major reason people lose muscle mass as they age, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. And losing muscle isn't just about looking less toned. Muscle is what keeps you steady on your feet, protects your joints, and keeps your metabolism running. Weak muscles are directly linked to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. The science-backed fix. Studies show that spreading protein intake evenly across meals, instead of eating most of it at dinner, helps trigger muscle repair more effectively after 50. Combining this with resistance training, even simple bodyweight exercises 2 to 3 times a week, has been shown to reawaken your body's muscle-building response. Imagine still being able to carry your own groceries, play with your grandkids, or travel the world without needing help, at 70, 80, even 90. That's not just a hope. It's something backed by real science. But protein and exercise are only piece one of the puzzle. The next insight might surprise you even more. Remember those mitochondria we mentioned, your cell's power plants? As you age, they don't just slow down, they also become damaged more easily. Damaged mitochondria produce less energy and more harmful byproducts called free radicals, which can injure nearby healthy cells. This creates a frustrating cycle, less energy for repair, more damage that needs repairing. This is one of the biological reasons people over 50 often feel more tired, even after a full night's sleep. It's not laziness. It's not just aging. It's your cells struggling to produce enough fuel to keep up with repair demands. The encouraging news is that scientists have found specific habits that help protect and even boost mitochondrial function. Regular aerobic exercise, like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, has been shown to stimulate the growth of new, healthier mitochondria, a process called mitochondrial biogenesis. Getting consistent, quality sleep also plays a critical role, since deep sleep is when much of your body's cellular repair actually happens. Certain nutrients, like those found in leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish, have also been studied for their potential to reduce the oxidative stress that damages mitochondria in the first place. Think about it this way: every workout, every good night's sleep, every nutrient-rich meal is like sending in reinforcements for your body's power plants. But there's one more hidden culprit driving this slowdown, and it might be the most overlooked of them all. Here's something that might shock you. As we age, many of us develop a condition researchers call inflammaging, a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation that doesn't cause obvious symptoms but simmers in the background for years. This isn't the kind of inflammation you feel from a sprained ankle. It's invisible. And it's incredibly destructive. Here's something that might shock you. As we age, many of us develop a condition researchers call inflammaging, a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation that doesn't cause obvious symptoms but simmers in the background for years. This isn't the kind of inflammation you feel from a sprained ankle. It's invisible. And it's incredibly destructive. Chronic inflammation interferes with your body's ability to repair tissue efficiently. It confuses your immune system, making it attack healthy cells instead of focusing on actual threats. Over time, this hidden inflammation has been linked to heart disease, joint deterioration, and even a faster rate of aging at the cellular level. The scary part? Many people walking around today have elevated inflammation and don't even know it, because there are no obvious symptoms until a serious health problem shows up. The good news is that lifestyle changes have been shown to meaningfully lower chronic inflammation. Reducing processed sugar and refined carbohydrates, increasing intake of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and walnuts, managing chronic stress through practices like meditation or deep breathing, and maintaining a healthy weight have all been linked in research to lower inflammatory markers in the body. This means that some of the aging people fear the most may actually be preventable inflammation, not an unavoidable fate. Now that you know what's silently sabotaging your repair system, let's talk about the final piece that ties everything together. After 50, hormone levels shift dramatically for both men and women. Growth hormone and testosterone decline in men. Estrogen drops sharply in women during and after menopause. These hormones aren't just about reproduction. They play a massive role in tissue repair, bone density, and even skin elasticity. When these hormones decline, the message telling your cells to repair and rebuild becomes weaker and less frequent. This is part of why bone density can drop rapidly in postmenopausal women, and why men may notice slower muscle recovery and increased fat storage after 50. While hormone therapy is a personal medical decision to discuss with a doctor, research shows that certain lifestyle factors can help support healthier hormone balance naturally. Strength training has been shown to support healthy testosterone and growth hormone levels. Adequate sleep is essential, since most growth hormone is released during deep sleep. And managing stress is critical, because chronically high cortisol, your stress hormone, can interfere with the very hormones your body needs for repair. This is why the people who seem to age well often aren't genetically lucky. They're consistently doing the small things that protect their hormonal and repair systems, day after day, year after year. Here's what this all means. Your body slowing down after 50 isn't a life sentence. It's a biological shift, and shifts can be influenced. The people who stay strong, energetic, and disease-free into their 70s, 80s, and beyond aren't defying science. They're working with it. Every meal with enough protein, every workout, every good night's sleep, every stress-reducing moment you choose is a message to your cells: keep repairing, keep rebuilding, keep going. So here's your call to action. Don't wait for a health scare to start taking care of your body's repair system. Start today. Add one more protein-rich food to your next meal. Take a 20-minute walk. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier tonight. These small choices compound into decades of strength, energy, and independence. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening inside your body after 50, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Your future self will thank you.